Recently, a new tax is in news, Border Adjustment Tax BAT. 2 days back, one of the Niti Aayog members, Mr. Saraswat, he proposed this tax to promote and protect the domestic industries in India. What is this border adjustment tax all about? We all know that in India, manufacturers and manufacturing industries have to pay various taxes like electricity duty, clean energy tax, various royalties, biodiversity tax, mandi tax, like that they are expected to pay various taxes, and all this tax burden will escalate the final price of the good. Sometimes it do happen that because of the various taxes and escalating costs, the goods in the foreign manufacturing units which come to India, that is imported goods, will be at a cheaper price than the locally manufactured goods because of the heavy taxation in India. To offset this, to provide a level playing field, border adjustment tax was proposed. In border adjustment tax, a separate tax will be levied on the foreign goods which are coming into India, so that we can protect our domestic manufacturers and domestic goods. Don't get confused. Customs duty is different from border adjustment tax. Customs duty is separately levied and border adjustment tax is separately levied. Border adjustment tax will be levied at the place of consumption, not at the place of production. That is, border adjustment tax is a tax on goods based on the location of consumption rather than the location of production. It is a tax based on where the goods are sold rather than where they are produced. So, it will be taxed on the area or on the territory where they were sold, not where they were produced. And border adjustment tax is not only in use in India but also in America. And because of this COVID-19 and already we have seen trade wars between America and China, in future there will be more protectionist measures in the countries post COVID-19. So, India should also look into the probabilities of the proposal of border adjustment tax, and BAT is a duty that is proposed to be imposed on imported goods in addition to the customs duty. In addition to the customs duty, we might impose BAT. So, customs duty is generally levied to the goods which are coming into India. Along with that, to offset the taxes which Indian local manufacturers pay, like various miscellaneous taxes, BAT will be levied so that Indian manufacturers will be at the same level and they will be protected from cheaper goods from the foreign countries. The Indian industry has been complaining to the government from long time about various domestic taxes like electricity duty, duty on fuel, mandi tax, clean energy cess, biodiversity tax, royalties, etc., that they have to pay on domestically produced goods, as finally all these taxes and duties are embedded in the finished products. But many of the imported goods, they do not get loaded with such taxes, and most of the countries, foreign countries, will not levy all these taxes on their manufacturers. So, in their respective country, they can produce goods at cheaper cost and they can export at a cheaper cost. But these goods are very cheaper compared to our local goods. For that reason, we need to protect our local manufacturers, local industries. And one more advantage of BAT is the manufacturers who purchase spare parts or some parts from the foreign countries, If they are asked to pay more tax like border adjustment tax, then they will purchase spare parts necessary for their unit only from India, not from outside. That means with more and more border adjustment tax, in addition to customs duty, local manufacturers will not purchase spare parts from outside the country and they will prefer the domestic products inside. Even that is an advantage in the border adjustment tax, where small companies in the local level, even MSMEs in the local level will get a boost, and big manufacturers in India will purchase their spare parts from Indian companies only. Second is, BAT seeks to promote a level playing field from competition from foreign and domestic companies supplying products. So, it will help in the level playing field, so that foreign countries products will not come with a cheaper cost. And arguments against BAT. What are the arguments against border adjustment tax? First is, if at all, if you purchase any foreign good including BAT, that means finally the burden of paying more and more tax goes to the consumer. Finally, with all this more and more taxes, who will be affected? Consumer. Second thing is, the proposed border adjustment tax might be inconsistent with existing commitments with the WTO with respect to protectionism. Might be this BAT like taxes, they might be inconsistent if we don't formulate rules properly, and they might go into big litigations into WTO, and some other countries might file cases on us, as America filed various cases on India already with respect to solar technology, pharmaceuticals, against Indian companies and Indian government rules. And some of the cases India lost in WTO also in this respect. So, India should be cautious with respect to WTO guidelines before proposing and making modalities in the border adjustment tax. Thank you.